Hi, my name is Goldman, and I'm an attorney with Goldman and Associates. Today I'd like to talk about international divorce. You know, our firm does a lot of divorce work. We do it very well. We've been doing it for many years. Sometimes people get involved in a situation where, because of the world becoming a smaller place and people being sent to different places for employment, that you get a situation where two people are trying to get divorced and one of them lives out of the country. We have an international divorce. So long as one of them resides in the state of Michigan, though, the jurisdiction can be based on that person's residency, and that divorce can be handled in the state of Michigan. Now, it is true that when you have an international divorce situation, it's not the same as if one of the parties lives around the corner from the other. You're going to have, if you have children, custody, visitation, support issues, and it's going to be problematic. Because there's a big difference between sending your child, to dad's house for the weekend when he lives 5 miles away, versus sending him, to Japan because dad has a job with a big company and he's out of the country. One of the key issues that comes up in this case is what happens if the country where the other person lives is not overly friendly and not necessarily a part of that those treaties that allow for children to be in places, and if there's if there's kidnapping or parental kidnapping, there are mechanisms in force to take care of that. There are some countries where we don't have that agreement with them. And so the courts will not readily enforce a parenting time situation where you're asking the kid to go to a country where we don't have the ability to get him back if there's a problem. So there are some technical rules about it, and it has to do with where, it has to do with membership and involvement with the Hague Convention and all sorts of things. They are technical rules. If you're involved in a situation or you think you might get involved in what might be an international divorce, of course, give us a call and we'll be glad to give you appropriate guidance in that regard.